Hey there, I don't think anyone wants to smell dog breath, even if it's on the dog. My dog Oliver's breath isn't always the freshest, but the team over at Oxyfresh sent over their water additive. It's perfect for helping his breath smell better. Oxyfresh cleans teeth, fights tartar, and freshens breath, all by adding a little bit of it to the drinking water of the dog. All I have to do is add the recommended dosage that's listed on the back to his water every time I refresh the bowl, and he's good to go. Oxyfresh believes that pets matter, and it shows with all of these great benefits. Benefits like it's paraben free, it's dye free, it's vet recommended, and it's made in the USA. I love that this comes in a 16-ounce bottle, so it's gonna last for a long time before I need to get another one. I like how easy it is to use, no taste, no smell. Oliver doesn't mind. Guys, if you're looking for a way to help your pet's teeth with barely even trying, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.